Hi, I'm Lisa. Welcome to Leles Design. Today, I will show you how to make this breathable mask that won't touch your nose or your mouth. If you have to wear a mask for a long period of time, I suggest using this mask. It's easy to breathe and talk when you're wearing this mask. What's great is your makeup and lipstick will stay intact and it won't be on the back of your mask. Go ahead and print my free pattern. It's down below in the description. Cut 2 pieces of fabric, 15 by 8, put right sides together, and then fold it in half. Place your pattern on top. This is your fold line. And trace. Cut on the trace lines. Unfold each fabric. You should have right sides together. We're going to leave a little opening right here. So we're going to start here, go around and sew all the way around. And then you want to stop about here. We want to leave this open. This way we can turn it inside out. All right, go around and clip your curves all the way around. And then turn it inside out. And if you're interested in any of the projects that I show on my video, I'll list it down below in the description so you could easily find it. Alright, so once you get it all flattened out, and you want to turn in these edges about 1/4 of an inch, I'm going to flip over my mat because one side's a cut-in and the other side is a ironing board. It out, grab your iron, and this little iron I have is awesome. If you don't have one, I would suggest getting this. It's a little steam iron, and not only is it great for crafts, it's great to take on trips. It takes little room in your luggage. I love it. Take it to the sewing machine and sew a top stitch all the way around. Once you top stitch all the way around, fold it in half, and you could use your finger to press it, or you can use an iron, and that will give the crease in the center, and I'll show you why that's important later on. Now I'm going to go ahead and fold my ends down about 1.5 inch and press. I do it this way so that each end is even. Flip this flap the other way so both flaps are facing in. Then press. We will make 3 pleats on each side, and we'll start right after the center crease. For this video, I will be using pins, so you can view this tutorial a lot easier, but it's best if you use clips. And if you don't have any sewing clips, hair clips, paper clips, even bobby pins will work. We will make a second pleat and pin. Do a third pleat just before the flap and pin it. Flip it over, and we will repeat the 3 pleats on this side, but we will have them going in the opposite direction. Take it to the sewing machine. Start just before the pleat and stop after the last pleat. Now that you have the pleats sewed down, we will sew the buttons on the flaps. Take it to the sewing machine so we can sew down the flaps. You want to leave enough room to put your elastic. Start here and end right here. Repeat on the other side. Start here and stop here. I got the flaps sewed down and I attached my elastic off camera. I used a 10-inch elastic and I double knotted it, and voila, we are done. This took me maybe 15 minutes, if that. I hope you like my new mask that expands and is breathable. It's perfect for the summer weather. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed this sewing tutorial and free pattern. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Your support and views help me continue to offer free patterns. Please share my videos on your social media. Thanks everyone. Have a great day. Bye-bye.